let's rewind a bit. Who tinted Awilo's hair? Was it not me? Awilo refused to be tinted by anybody and said, I want my titi to tint me. I changed his hair color because he's raw. He needed to act with a black color. And you say Awilo is a dignified man. Do you know the meaning of dignified? Do you know the meaning of professional? Professionals don't sleep with the cast. All of you, you are so unprofessional. Yes, I'm unprofessional, but I'm a better unprofessional than you. Professional producers don't sleep with the cast. They don't do hookups. They don't use people. And you say you are professionals. No. Hanzi, Awilo didn't go away with him to say my wife. Do you know how happy when I said my husband, that womanizer, that pussy terrorist? He's a professional man. That pussy terrorist. Nobody will bring me down from anywhere. You don't want to work with me? Go ahead and stop working. You are not paying me anyway at the end of the day. I do get jobs everywhere. In fact, I'm going to work now every day. And you say my TT works with nobody. Because I say the truth? Because you do not want to hear the truth? Leader does not sleep with his subordinates. A proper leader does not sleep with his subordinates. And you are not a definition of a leader. So good night. Enjoy your sleep. And enjoy those pussies.